Okay, now that you've seen some of those benefits or some of the things, the important things why you should study programming or why you're doing programming or if you just get to know. Now the thing is, what next as we've seen the importance of it, okay? The next thing to know is to understand the concept of programming when it comes to computer studies generally, okay? And for me, I normally take it from the aspect of, do you know what the computer is? That means the definition of computer. Normally, we define computer as an electronic machine that accepts data, processes the data, store at some points, and after processing, gives out the processed data as information, which are the attributes of the computer. Okay. Now, most professional definition normally involve the use of under program control as a phrase that must come at the end of the definition. Okay, so the under program control in the sense that everything that you've mentioned that the computer does, like the input of data, the storage, the processing, and even the output, are controlled by programs. Okay, so being a programmer, you should first of all know that, okay, you're trying to be somebody that will write instructions, because programs are set of instructions. Okay, so you being a programmer, you should simply see yourself as someone that will write instructions for the computer to follow. Okay, that means for the computer to do anything that the computer knows how to do, a programmer must be involved. Even though, yes, for the computer to be computer today, that we're already using the computer, there are programmers that have already written programs to control everything in the computer, like your OS, your drivers, your everything that the computer doing generally. They are programs, and there are people that have already done that for you. Okay, now, but for the journey as a programmer, you are going to learn the concept of how they did those things, and at the same time learn how to build your own forms of programs. Okay, so that is it. As a programmer, that is the major thing you should first of all know, that being a programmer, you are trying to be a computer professional, not just a computer user. Because me, I normally differentiate between a computer professional and a computer user. Computer user is just someone that just make use of some of these softwares that the computer have to offer. But a computer professional is someone that understand not just the development process. You understand the whole architecture of the computer and how the computer works, and also you can create softwares that can also work on the computer and can enable others use the computer more effectively. So instead of just being a user, you can be a computer professional. Okay, so that is one of the things you should know when it comes to programming. Okay.